It's pouring rain. Okay, what's up, guys? I just got to my car out of work. It's pouring rain out, and of course I didn't bring a rain jacket or anything because it was nice this morning, so I didn't think or check the weather. Go me, right? Today I am going to be doing my night routine, and this is just my legit, raw, real night routine. I'm just gonna take you along with what I do. It's 4:59 p.m. I'm going to the gym right now to do some legs. I wanna give a huge thank you to the Matcha Reserve for sponsoring this video. Y'all, I'm obsessed. I had never really tried matcha before, and I tried their face mask, their powder, and a tea. I'll talk to y'all about all of it. It's amazing. So we'll get into that in a little bit, but now I'm gonna go to the gym. What's up, guys? I just got out of the gym. Well, I just got home after driving home from the gym, but I'm gonna go inside. I filmed my whole workout and I will post it on my Instagram by the time you see this video. Obviously the Instagram will already be up, so y'all should go follow your girl on Instagram at KetMeTV, and I do like a ton of workout stuff on there as well, so go check that out. But now I'm gonna go inside and make a protein shake, with my matcha protein shake. So whenever you can hear Ricky drinking his water. You're so cute. So my eating schedule is kind of weird when I get home. I'm gonna have a protein shake now, then I'll go upstairs, clean up my room, take a shower, and then I'll come downstairs and have some dinner around 8 o'clock. So obviously I need some protein for a protein shake, and then I like to add a banana as well. Typically I will add spinach, but I don't have any spinach, so I'm actually gonna try a half of an avocado. I'd never actually tried matcha before, but this stuff is insanely delicious. So it's green like this, it looks healthy, and it just smells so clean. I don't know if you've ever smelled matcha, but it's a real nice. And you can do so much with this. I'm gonna be putting it in a protein shake, but you can do all sorts of recipes with matcha powder. I definitely recommend checking this out, especially if you like to cook, because there's like 1,000,010 things you can do with this. And then also just some almond milk as the liquid. So these are all the things I'm gonna blend up in my blender. I'm telling y'all, matcha is delicious, and it also has a ton of awesome health benefits. The Matcha Reserve has a page on their website where they go over a ton of them, which they didn't say I had to mention. I just found it and thought it was super interesting. And one thing that really stuck out to me is matcha is loaded with antioxidants, and the Matcha Reserve referred to this as the body's cleaning crew, which y'all know how I feel about keeping a clean room. So of course, keeping your body clean is also super important. Okay, so now I'm gonna drink it. Amazing. I'm telling you guys, you have to try this. The avocado made this so creamy. I was a little skeptical about putting avocado in here. I don't know why, I've just never done that, but it's delicious. So since I filmed my workout today, now I'm gonna go on my phone and edit it so that I can upload it to the Instagram, which again, y'all should follow me if you don't already. It's just at KetMeTV.
Kiss me hard, forget them judging eyes.
Finished my smoothie, posted my Instagram video, and now I'm gonna go upstairs, clean up my room a little bit, take a quick shower, and then I'm gonna put on the matcha bubble mask, which I tried this a couple days ago. Oh my gosh, guys, it's incredible. You literally feel like your face is just bubbling. It's just bubbling. Walking into my room, it's not that messy, but I just want everything to be perfectly clean so that tomorrow when I wake up in the morning, it's nice and clean. I know I've done a ton of morning cleaning routines, night cleaning routines type of thing on my channel, but my personal preference, I do like to clean my room at night if I have the time, just because waking up in the morning to a super clean room is so motivating, and so it's just, I don't know, it's just a really nice thing to wake up to. So every night when I get home before I go to sleep, if there's stuff around my room from the day, which there typically is, as you can see, I like to just take 5 to 10 minutes to clean it up, wipe my desk and my dresser down just so that it looks and smells clean, and then I feel a lot better when I wake up the next morning.
Tiptoeing down your spine when everyone's around.
So like I said, I typically eat dinner after I take a shower, but I'm really hungry right now. I just finished cleaning my room, so I think I'm gonna eat quickly before I go upstairs. Dinner time! Tonight, I really did not feel like cooking, and this is one of my go-to lunches, but I decided to have it for dinner tonight because I had some extra rice in the fridge. So basically all I do, take some brown rice, add in some of my Gardein beefless ground, add a veggie burger, stick that in the microwave for 2 minutes, then I add some sea salt, some olive oil, and some Italian seasoning, and it is super delicious. Really quick, really easy. So I just had dinner, and before I go put the matcha bubble mask on, which I'm real excited about because it's really cool, I'm just gonna use these Burt's Bees facial cleansing towelettes. I've talked about these a million and 10 times to take off my makeup. Quick tip, if you don't have any makeup wipe removers and you gotta take your makeup off, coconut oil actually works really well. I've done that, like just take a cotton swab, put some coconut oil on it, and your makeup will come right off. And if you don't have coconut oil, lotion also works. Doesn't work as well, I'd say, but it does work and it gets the job done. But I like having these makeup wipe removers. Time to wash my face, which, oh my gosh, guys, this is incredible. So the bubble mask from the Matcha Reserve actually generates oxygen bubbles that remove toxins and dead skin to really like get a deep clean and hydrate your skin. It feels incredible. I can't even explain the bubbly feeling, and then it also smells good, and it's just super fun because come on, you're putting bubbles on your face. I can hear the bubbles. This is so cool. I love doing this. This is like my new favorite face mask. Do you guys see this? Okay, it's been like 10-15 minutes, so now I'm going to hop in the shower because like I gotta take a shower because still in my workout clothes, haven't taken a shower yet. And I like to brush my teeth in the shower. Just FYI for your info. Of course, I also got to put some lotion on my face, and lols, Tim just lying there asleep. But then I put my robe on because it's time to go downstairs and get some tea, matcha tea to be specific. I've been so excited about this part where I get to drink this tea. They have a ton of different teas on their website, but obviously this is like a nighttime routine, so I wanted one that would help me go to sleep. As you can see, this is a superfood detox tea. It tastes amazing. It does great things for your body. So I definitely recommend checking that out. And then I just headed upstairs, got into bed. Tim and I watched Friends for a little bit. Great show, great show. And I drank my tea, and then we turned off the lights and went to sleep. Don't forget to check out the Matcha Reserve, and you can use my coupon code if you wanted to purchase anything or try anything out for yourself. The link is in the description box, but I love you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you did, and I'll see y'all in my next video.